Rav4 V6. We'll be changing the oxygen sensors. One very, very important thing you should have when doing any work on your vehicle. Cool little Haynes or a Chilton manual to help you. Alright. Sensors on this thing. First thing you have to do is take off a cool little plastic cover, and then let me get my lights. Actually, no, this will be your first one that you can get right here. Let me get my light. All right, we're back right there. Two down below, right over here, right on the bottom, the down pipe. All right, your next oxygen sensor is going to look like it has a little weird little boot. So to get to it on a USDM car, you're gonna find it right by your steering wheel or driver's side. Underneath, you have to remove a little plastic panel here to expose this. Pull your carpet down, and then it will be, this end will be plugged in right here, which you'll have to pull this flap back. And there'll be a little button here to release. Pull that out. And to get to the other side of that, of course, you have to jack up your car. It's easiest to remove with this wrench. You'll find it right there. This, rather than bend your exhaust system. Alright. Alright. So back to the inside of the car. This back, got the plug. Pull the whole plug through. Get the new one. Actually, oh, there's grease already on there. Alright, cool. And then feed this through here. And then this boot. Make sure it sits. Final oxygen sensor. You will have to remove your passenger side wheel and sensor location right there. So looking at your wheel, or where it's supposed to be, above the manifold right there, if you see the yellow tape, the O2 sensor. So get to that location,